Alright, so it's a quick video. In one of my past videos, I said I was starting a car club. I can't remember. So basically, I got it all together. Go ahead and pull my phone out. I'm posting it here first, and once I drop this video, the whole shit gonna get live. I'm gonna start posting everything. So you see this name right here, Lost Victory. Alright, so right now I think we got 2,400 subs, some shit like that. Once I hit 2,500, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm gonna give away the sticker decals, you know, that you can put on your window and shit for my car club. And I'm giving out a shirt. Just whoever wins, you pick your color. There's gonna be like 3 color options and your size, so you're gonna get that. So this is the first thing right here. You see what it says, Lost Victory Car Club, and this the back. This the logo right here. You seen here first on YouTube. So like motherfuckers got that bell on. If you got that bell on your channel, you seen this first. I ain't posted this on Instagram, nothing like that. You just seen the Instagram is blank. So this is the first color option right here. It's almost like a tannish brownish color, and it hit good with these flames and shit right here. And then it's gonna come in black as well. See, same thing right here, but in white. You got the back right here. So these just like 2 little prototypes. This is the logo. Like when you see it on Instagram, it's gonna be minus the white outline. I just put that on here for the shirt. So that's what we're doing. So once we hit 2,500, I'll make some type of announcement on how I'm gonna give the shirts away. Like I said, you got the bell on right now. Go ahead and comment on this video once you see it, because like that's gonna help me determine who I'm gonna pick. I'm not just gonna like pick some random person on my giveaway video. I'm probably gonna go back and look through my old videos or some shit like that. I'm gonna do it some way. I'm gonna announce all that. But basically just showing you, like, you've been watching me for a while. I started with, like, you know, obviously everybody started with 0 subs. I had a V6. It was never a plan to get like a Scatpack. But then I said, fuck. After building up that V6 a little bit, I was like, man, I don't even want this car no more. I'm gonna stack and get a Scatpack. So this is showing you that you can do whatever you want to do. Like, don't let niggas tell you can't do shit. People was telling me, well, why don't you join my car club? I had like 4 people approach me. It's like, hey, join my shit. Some people wanted me to pay. Some people, I just didn't like the people that was in it. I said, I'm gonna start my own. It's like, be your own boss. Somebody gotta start something for you to join something. Everybody ain't gonna join something because somebody gotta start something from jump. So why I can't do it? So that's what I'm doing. Like I said, you see the logo right here, Lost Victory. I'm gonna keep grinding. I got videos coming. I took a break for a while. It's hot as shit. It be like 100 degrees every day. It's 7 o'clock. What time is it?
It's like
7:30.
7:30.
It be like 100 degrees right now. So I mean, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna keep going, keep putting shit out. I got way more shit coming. Everybody that joined my car club, I'm probably gonna do like some type of bio video on their whole car. They're gonna tell you what they did to it, what they plan on doing to it, and just tell you how they got it or some shit like that. So that's gonna bring way more shit to the channel with the car club. The first meet is gonna be in 2 to 3 weeks. I had it set for July 20th, but I had some shit come up at work, so I had to change that. But I got the shirts, I got the decals on the way. Like I said, the giveaway is gonna consist of you picking what color shirt you want. Let me know your size. You're gonna get the decals. I'm ship that off to you for free. And it's basically showing everybody, you know, the car club, the name, and all this. And you know, if you got a car like this and you like watching shit like this, you know, pick the camera up and you can make videos like this. I just now bought a GoPro. I never had a camera. I did all this shit on my iPhone, all my old videos, scrapped my iPhone, and I finally bought a GoPro, and now I'm making videos with a GoPro. But I grind it off the iPhone. You don't need no fancy camera. You don't need to go buy no lighting or no special equipment. Just, you know, pick the phone up, do some recording, and upload it. People gonna watch it. People watching my shit. I don't even make the best content, but I'm trying, and I'm gonna keep pushing shit out. Like, if you support me from the front, from the jump, you know, thanks for the support and shit like that. If you're a hater, I'm not really tripping because you helping me pay for my car. So you watch my video, you come in and hate, and I'm just still giving revenue. So thank you to the haters, supporters, and we're gonna keep going. That's pretty much it. Like I said, the first meet is like 2 to 3 weeks, and then I will be shipping out. I expect to hit 2,500 subs sometime in July. So when I do that, I will be making a video about the giveaway. And that's pretty much it, man. We out.
Look, was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Look, reached every goal I actually set, I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Look, and now I'm out here getting rich.